Remove the protective sticker with the blue pull tab on the pod's PPG sensor. On the pod, you will notice 2 hooks that will help secure the pod to the band. Grab the band and ensure the Muse logo is oriented right side up. You will see 2 inserts for the pod hooks on the right pod wing. Angle the pod hooks into the right pod wing hook inserts. As you press the pod hooks into place, you may hear a click. You will know if you've done this correctly if there's no gap between the pod and the wing. Then, secure the left side of the pod to the left pod wing using the magnets. You may hear another click. Ensure there are no gaps between the pod and both pod wings. You do not need to remove the pod from the band between uses, but you should always remove the pod before cleaning your soft band.